Hi, my name is Adil Mir. I am from Kashmir. I am a person with low vision. So everyone knows that as a low vision or a totally blind, it is very tough to use or to operate computers. But there are some solutions we can use and without any issue and without straining to eyes, we can use some solutions. Among that solutions, I will give you a demo on a solution which is known as a magnifier. Okay, and by using the magnifier, we will be able to operate computers as a sighted. So let me show you some couple of views about the magnifier. Just like this is a default screen of mine, and I am unable to read whatever there are the icons. So what I will do, I will use Windows key and then I will press plus button together, Windows then plus. Then this, you can see it becomes bigger, and I am just using my mouse wherever I want. By this way I am able to magnify the things, and it is up to us how much magnification we want. If we want to decrease also, we just need to press Windows and then minus. How much you want, you can press, keep your index finger on Windows and then press minus as much you want to decrease, which means zoom out or zoom in by pressing Windows plus. So you can see it is increasing and decreasing. I will show you a demo on Word document which will give you an insight more. I am just creating a random document here. So I am unable, even I don't know what is actually the document all about. So what I will do, I will just press Windows plus. So it increases and I am using my mouse. So you will be able to, video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point. So which means it is helping me out and without straining my eyes.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.